Alright, this is the brain. This is your telencephalon, the boxing glove area. In the telencephalon, you have your cerebral hemispheres. You have your left and right hemisphere. Your cerebral cortex is your superficial surface of the brain. You have your gyri. Your gyri are the bulges. Your sulci are the grooves of the brain. Your central sulcus. Your central sulcus separates the frontal and the parietal lobes. Your lateral sulcus separates the temporal and the parietal lobes. Your longitudinal fissure separates the left and right hemisphere. Your transverse fissure separates the cerebellum from the cerebrum. Opening the brain. Your corpus callosum is at the top of the brainstem. Corpus callosum. Your frontal lobe is at the front of the brain. Your occipital lobe is at the rear of your brain. Temporal lobe is on the side. And your parietal lobe is behind the frontal. Your olfactory bulb is right here on the brain. Your diencephalon, which is the head portion of the seahorse. It consists of your thalamus, your hypothalamus, your infundibulum, which is the white stem, your pituitary gland, your mammillary body, and your pineal gland. Your third ventricle is the space between the thalamus, the space between the thalamus. Your mesencephalon is the neck of your seahorse. It consists of your cerebral peduncles, this area right here. Your aqueduct of the midbrain, and your corpora quadramina. Your metencephalon consists of the body of the seahorse, which is the pons, and your cerebellum. Your cerebellum is this brown region. Your cerebellar hemispheres are the left and right hemisphere. Your cerebellar cortex is the superficial covering. And the arbor vitae are the white trees. Your vermis starts on the superior region and extends to the inferior region. Superior, where this... I'll go back. Yeah. Then you have your myelencephalon, which is the tail of the seahorse. You have your medulla oblongata, which is right here. Then you have your fourth ventricle, which is in the rear. And that is the entire brain.